So Dr. Jen must have started doing this one. Yeah. Mario, how much better are we since we started? This is Vanessa. Vanessa's our translator. She's also awesome. This is Mario. Mario, how much better are we since we started?
Desde cuando empezó, ¿cuánto ha mejorado?
Pues alto, más o menos, pero de repente molesta otra vez, de repente.
So he said a little better, but randomly he'll get pain on his leg.
Recently, he's been flaring up with the weather, right?
Recently.
Yeah. He was like 60%, but then we had tornado weather where it was like 30 degrees and 75. So that's where his flare-ups are coming right now, which we expected. So
Usted ahorita tiene su dolor por el cambio de tiempo, porque estaba mejorando el 60% y ya está cambiando el tiempo y ya regresó su dolor.
But he got up to what, 50 to 70% better, like sciatica and stuff like that. It's just lately with the weather changes, the pressure changes, expand connective tissue. I know last time he was in here, I had a little man here. He doesn't tell. I'll tell him to say something. I know he doesn't say anything, but friends didn't explain it. But the pressure changes, expand, and then scar tissue feels worse around that time. Since he's in the early phase and he's in early like maintenance, these things won't be as bad in the future, but it's still recent from the new tissue. Is there any adjustments he wants today?
¿Tiene un ajuste específico? ¿Cuál le ayuda a usted mejor?
Por la pierna.
La pierna, cuando le hacen la máquina aquí.
La chicaca.
¿Cuánto tiempo para arriba que ves aquí?
Ya me va a chicar el cuello.
Oh, he said not the neck. What did he say? No, it's okay. It's funny.
El cuello. La chinga.
He's cussing himself.
You're cussing? Chinga. Oh, that's right. That's bad. I'm okay with it. She said, I think we should edit that out. It's fine. If he doesn't mind, I don't mind. Except I just repeated it, so bleep me.
Y él dice, yo no quiero dejarlo porque él dice que él
Okay, relaja.
Y como es joven, se mueven las articulaciones más.
Sí.
Y como tan deporte, también. Para prevenir.
Relaja, relaja.
Ándele, güey.
Crucé los brazos. What was that last thing? I don't know what he's using extra stuff. He's getting filmed. Oh, good. Okay. Dobro over there. See. Okay, we're gonna go down his IT van. Relaja. So Dr. Jen must have started doing this one.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna use the Theragun over top of the muscle hit above and below. Because we're going down. It'll be here and here. Because his IT band is what's continuously staying under pain.
¿La mano?
Que se puede parar,
Huh?
¿no?
Oh, yeah, he's running. I was gonna work on his muscles. Yeah. Next time or today? Yeah, today he got up. Yeah. We do it standing up. Let's do it standing up. No. Just turn this way. We'll be fine. Yeah. Okay, relaja. We'll do it standing. It'll be fine. Relaja. Okay, relaja. I think his leg is getting stronger, so his muscles are starting to spasm and then be really sore and constantly achy. And that makes sense why his IT band's getting better. Yeah. His quads are gonna get better because his knees were really bad and now they got more movement. ¿Está bien? ¿Es todo? Gracias, amigo. There's a lot going on with that last person, but he's doing a lot better. He's just been flaring up because of the weather, the like tornado weather. It goes from 30 to 75 degrees, you know, in one day. What it does is that the barometric pressure changes in the air. So he's gotten up to about 70% better. He's walking and moving better. But in the past week or two, essentially, he's had more pain because the barometric pressure changes. It expands underneath and it causes scar tissue to basically flare up. It's kind of like a boxer who's been cut a lot. It cuts really easy in a fight. So bad scar tissue will kind of react under expansion and pressure.